this model allows me to package all my expertise and clients' result into an easy to follow step-by-step curriculum. I decided to start mimicking what I saw the multi-million-dollar business are doing and honed in on business modeling, what they did, what they were just starting out. Last week, I shared with you how I make $1,885 from each LinkedIn Live and how building my own brand on LinkedIn by hosting 65 of them led to $120K in sales. And if you missed that out, go back and check out step 1, my first $120K, how I did it and how you can too. Saying my mind was blown is really an understatement. This result showed me the power of consistent content creation, its potential to build demand for my offers and increase my cash flow for my business. So today we're going to talk about step 2, the offer evolution. How I go from done for you LinkedIn marketing services to high ticket one-on-one working intimately with me, yours truly, Salina. In the first 9 months starting out with my Done It For You service as the outsourced director of LinkedIn marketing, each clients come to me with a different needs. If you have been following me for a while, for the last 2.5 years, I even had a business partner at one point, who is my former colleague at LinkedIn. Both of us work a ton, 6 days a week, 12 hours a day, thinking about work when I'm not working. I mean, you get the drill. As you can see, I had absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but try everything to be a successful entrepreneur. But I was really exhausted by that point because I'm serving everybody coming my way, a few chunks of money here, and then a few chunks of money there. The big lessons learned right here is that I'm trading time for my money is really tough. But this Done It For You business model really gave me that recurring revenue that really allows me to grow and invest the cash flow back to my business. And that's amazing. And another big lesson that I learned is I don't really enjoy running a complicated and a heavy business with a huge team. So that is helpful. And also get me the clarity on who I really want to help, the type of dream clients that really light me up. And running this model really allows me to understand the importance of pay in full versus like 50 and 50 payment terms or performance based, right? You might ask, the best thing about this is this model allows me to package all my expertise and clients' result into an easy to follow step-by-step curriculum. I decided to start mimicking what I saw the multi-million-dollar business are doing and honed in on business modeling, what they did, what they were just starting out. And I figure the most successful business owners started with one-to-one offer at a 4-figure price point. And this is exactly the slide I shared during our last LinkedIn coaching live call, Creating Scalable Offer. If you want to get access to it instantly, just click the link below. After the initial 9 months, I started selling private one-to-one coaching and LinkedIn consultation in sort of a 3 months packages for $5,500, and I increased it to $7,000 all the way to $8,500 and raising the prices every 3 to 5 clients. Oh, hello, insider, love what you're learning so far. I'm interrupting my own episode for this. Want to create a LinkedIn strategies that work for you and your business? Book a LinkedIn blind spot call with us today, right here. The link is in the description below. We'll take a look at your overall goals on LinkedIn. We'll also be identifying areas that could be improved on and then point you in a direction that solves you what's holding you back on LinkedIn so that you can start getting better results. So right now, go ahead, hit that book button, get it going. We cannot wait to talk to you, get to know you, as well as your business. And of course, explore how we can make LinkedIn work for you and your business. As of now, let's head back to the episode. Better clients meaning they are more qualified, best fit clients that are more willing to put in the work and get even better result in shorter time. I work with 8 to 12 private one-on-one clients at a time and started to find some commonalities. The problem they needed my expertise solving. The solution they want with the help of my coaching and consulting. The step-by-step roadmap they follow to achieve that result that they want. And this is exactly what happened. And I put them all in a result-focused curriculum and say goodbye to those zillion alliterations in packages. And with the intimate support that's still personalized to my client's needs and situation. I've done that for another 9 months until June 2022. I hit 6-figure in profit that year, but I did hit an income ceiling. And I couldn't add one more extra client in my pipeline without really burning out. Because I know you know, I'm still trading time for money. And when I fell sick for a full week the same summer, $0, I had an aha moment. If I wanted to grow a business doesn't rely on me, something has to change. I know it deep down. Either my prices had to go up even more, that would risk the cancellation point in pricing, which is like this. It wasn't about what I could charge, but what I had the confidence to really charge. And you can tell how game changer that was for me. But what allows me to soar beyond 6-figure without compromising the quality of my work and client result is what I'm going to share with you next week. So come back for it. If you got any questions around your current offer, just hit reply in the comment section below. I would love to personally support you. There you have it. This is just 2 chapters out of 5. Chapter 3, goodness, will be airdropping next. While you're waiting, I want to invite you to join our free 30 days LinkedIn content challenge right here. The winner will take home $25 gift card. If something I shared today helped you to get one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job today. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. And I cannot wait to see you next week, same time. P.S. If you want me to say less and just teach you how to build a profitable business model that lasts, book a call with me to see if Insider Suite experience is a good fit for you. So if you're seeking a powerful shift and up level in your business, then there you go. You can learn more about the Insider Suite experience right here. And yep, I'm so freaking serious about showing you how to get high ticket clients coming to you instead of you chasing them with predictability and high ROI. And a lot of fun doing it. If you're not building something you like every single day, you're doing it wrong. Sorry, not sorry. Going to sign off right now. Can't wait to see you next week, same time. Bye for now.